put the CKLT aerator together. Just use 2 wrenches that came with the product to screw everything together. Insert the middle piece in here, thread 1 bolt through from behind, and then put the nut on. Do the same for the other bolt. Tighten them up. Remove one of these spikes or tighten it up. Put the wrench on the bottom here, and then use this other wrench to tighten them up. This aerator is really easy to use. Hold it with the handle and then come along and just step on it. Move your way around the yard, aerating wherever you need. You can always just go like this too. You don't even need to stand on it if your soil is soft enough. I really like this design. It's really easy to use and you can just stand on it, push it down. This is a really nice aerator to have if you've got a small property to aerate. So if you're looking for a new aerator for your lawn, I recommend you get this one here.